Welcome back students. This is the second video of today's section. In first video we discussed what is word processor and word processing, and then we discussed how to create a new document in OpenOffice Writer, and also we discussed two parts of OpenOffice Writer, that is title bar and menu bar. In this video we are going to discuss the remaining parts of OpenOffice Writer window. Next part of OpenOffice Writer window is toolbar. Toolbar is placed below the menu bar. There are two toolbars available in OpenOffice Writer. They are standard toolbar and second one is formatting toolbar. First one is standard toolbar. This toolbar is just below the menu bar and it consists of some shortcut icons for frequently performed tasks. There are many shortcut icons are available. Some of them are shortcut for cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, search, new, open and so on. If you don't know the name of the shortcut icon, you just move the mouse pointer over the icon. Automatically a tool tip will display with the name of the icon. If we want to do any task, we will choose the option from the menus which is available in the menu bar. The same menus are displayed as the icons in standard toolbar. For an example, if you want to open a new document, then we will click the file menu and then choose the new option. Instead of that, we may click the new icon which is available in the standard toolbar. See here in this picture, the first icon is called a new icon and second one is open icon. This icon is used to open the already saved document. So standard toolbar is used to display various icons for performing frequently used tasks. Second type of toolbar is formatting toolbar. The formatting toolbar is just below the standard toolbar. This toolbar consists of various icons which is especially used for formatting the text. Some of the formatting options are bold, underline, italics, font type, font color and background color, highlighting. So in this picture you will see the various icons available for formatting. Times New Roman. So this drop down box is an icon. It is used to display various font name. You may change the name of the font. Likewise, the next one is font size. We will also change the size of the font. Either we will increase or we will decrease. The other three options are frequently used formatting option: to make any text as bold, to make any text as underlined and also italic. Another four options are used for alignment, to make our document either left align, right align, center align and also justify. So this is the second toolbar available in OpenOffice Writer. It is especially used for formatting our text. Next part of OpenOffice Writer is ruler. A ruler is a scale below the formatting toolbar. It is used to display the margin. From the ruler you can see the gray area. By dragging the gray area we will change the margin. So there are four margins available. They are left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom margin. Within the margin only we will type any text and we will format any text of our document. There are two sets of rulers available in OpenOffice Writer. They are horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. Horizontal ruler is used to set the left and right margin of your document. Likewise, vertical ruler is used to change the top and bottom margin of your document. Next part of OpenOffice Writer is workspace. This is an important area and center area of your writer window. The workspace is the blank area. It is used to type the content of the file. So in this place only we are going to type the text we want to display or we want to store in a document. So in the workspace we may see a flashing vertical bar. So the flashing vertical bar, which is always appears at the beginning of the screen, and it is otherwise called as insertion pointer. From this insertion pointer only we will start our typing. Insertion pointer is not only show where we want to type the text, but also it is used to say the position for deleting any characters from the text, and also it is used to set the place for selecting the text. Last part of OpenOffice writer window is status bar. Status bar is placed at the bottom of the window. It is used to show the current status of the document, such as number of pages available in a document and current page number. Default language used for typing the document, and also two modes, insert mode and type over mode. That's all about parts of OpenOffice writer window. Next topic is moving within a document. Within a document we may create any number of pages or any number of paragraphs. If you want to edit the text or if you want to enter the text, then we will use insertion point. This table displays various keyboard shortcuts to move the insertion point around the document. To move a single character from the right of the insertion pointer, then we will press right arrow key from the keyboard. Likewise, if we move a character from the left of the insertion pointer, then we will press left arrow key from the keyboard. Likewise, we will press upward arrow key to move one line upward. Likewise, we will press downward arrow key to move one line down. If you want to move one word from the right of the insertion point, then we will press Ctrl plus right arrow key. If you want to move one word from the left of the insertion point, then we will press Ctrl key and left arrow key. To move one paragraph up, then we will press Ctrl plus upward arrow. One paragraph down, then we will press Ctrl plus downward arrow. If you want to move the insertion point to the beginning of the line, then we will press Home key from the keyboard. If you want to move the insertion point to the end of the line, then we will press End key. To move to the beginning of the document, suppose if your document consists of 20 pages and if we want to move the insertion point to the beginning of your document, then we will press Ctrl plus Home. Likewise, if you want to move the insertion point to the end of the document, then we will press Ctrl plus End key from the keyboard. Tab key is especially used to move the insertion point from one cell to another cell in a table. To move one cell to another cell rightwards, then we will press Tab. If we want to move the insertion point backward, that is from one cell to another cell in left side, then we will press Shift plus Tab key. To scroll one screen up, then we will press Page Up button. To scroll one screen down, then we will press Page Down button from the keyboard. So this table may be asked in one mark question, so go through all the shortcut keys for moving the insertion point around the document. Okay students, that's all about today's section. In this section we discussed the first part of chapter 6, that is Introduction to Word Processor. Under this topic, first we discussed the definition of word processor and word processing. As we discussed in Zoom class, word processor is a software Word processing is an activity. Word processor is used to create, edit, manipulate, store and retrieve text document. OpenOffice Writer is one of the word processor. It is used to create and manipulate text document. So it is a component of OpenOffice which is developed by Apache company. Next we discussed how to create a new document in Writer. There are 4 different ways to create a document. First we will choose file menu and then choose new option. Then we will double click the OpenOffice icon on the desktop and then we will choose text document from the Star Center. Star Center is the opening screen of OpenOffice package. We may also create a new document by using Start button and then from Start menu. Shortcut key to create a new document is Ctrl+N. Then we discuss the different parts of Writer window as title bar, menu bar, toolbar, scroll bar, ruler, working area, status bar. These are some of the parts of OpenOffice Writer window. Finally, we discussed how to move the insertion pointer within a document. The flashing vertical bar in a document is called as insertion pointer. From the insertion pointer only, we will start to type the text and edit text. Various keyboard shortcut key are available to move the insertion point from one location to another location within the document. We also discussed some of the keyboard shortcuts to move the insertion point around the document. For an example, if you want to move the insertion point to the beginning of the line, then we will press Home key. If you want to move the insertion point to the end of the document, then we will press Ctrl+End key. Okay students, that's all about today's class. We will discuss another new topic from the same chapter in next session. Until, take care. God bless you.